So I haven't done my makeup in a minute now because I've been moving and work and just like so many other things. I really want to do a makeup look, a couple palettes that I want to play around with, but I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I'll do. So let me go and do my eyebrows and make a decision, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna go in with the Juvias Plays Zulu palette. I really want to play with this purple and this green and like this yellow and the this blue shimmer here. So I think that's the look I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go in with my eye base. This is the Beauty Creations neutral eye base primer, shade a new beige. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this yellow shade. I'm gonna put this in my my upper crease as like a transition shade, and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I use this big fluffy brush from e.l.f. We're just packing this on actually. I do kind of want to see this yellow kind of peek through. Okay, so now with like a slightly smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with his blue-green here. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna bring it lower. Okay, and I'm gonna start to blend that into that yellow. Now, do I know how this look is gonna turn out? No. It's already looking really pretty. Of course, Juvias Place eyeshadows are always so pigmented. With a smaller, even smaller brush. And we're gonna take this beautiful purple shade right here. And we're gonna put this into our outer crease. We're gonna pack that one. And we're gonna go back in with the brush that we used that blue on, and we're just gonna really hit that blend. Easiest way that I found to cut the crease is get a little bit of your base or primer or your concealer, whatever. And you're just gonna put some down, and you're gonna look up. And where that is, that's where you're gonna try to connect your line. Before we go in with the shimmer, so we're gonna take that purple and we're just gonna pack it. And just kind of feather that out. Because I'm gonna put a little bit of blue, some of that dark blue that we put in the crease. I'm gonna put that also, and we're just gonna pat this on. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful shimmery blue here, and I'm going to put that in that lid space. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I want to go in with this, like a little bit of this, just to kind of make this eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I'm gonna take this liner. It's a Ruby Kisses Tattoo Felt Tip eyeliner in dark brown. I'm not gonna do a wing. I just need something to hide my lash band when I put my lashes on. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the skin part of my routine. I haven't really done a full bead. I finally understand why the girlies love the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And when I tell you, everybody was like, oh my God, your makeup so good. Your makeup looks so pretty. Your makeup looks so good. And I'm like, this is not even the best that my makeup could look, because I don't even have the right products. So I'm like, this really is that girl. I'm just gonna start off with some of my Juvias Ready Set Sealed Setting Spray. Love this stuff too. Then for color correction, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So good. I'm just gonna put it everywhere that I normally would color correct, like around my mouth, under my eyes, across my nose. I have like a dark mark across my nose. I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. This is the e.l.f. one. Love these e.l.f. sponges. I don't know what foundation I'm going with. I might use this one in a minute. It's the Absolute New York Soft Filter Blur Foundation. The only thing I hate about this is that it smells like it moves. That's a really good foundation. Matched. Shade match, I think. Again, I got this from the beauty supply store, and the beauty supply store makeup it's come a long way. So the concealers I'm gonna go with the Absolute 3D Cover Concealer, full coverage in 7 and 8. And while I let that sit, I'm gonna get my bronzer powder. This is the Juvia's Place bronzer in Cocoa. I love this bronzer. It is hitting so good. It's nice and creamy. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. blush in the shade Very Well. I love the e.l.f. blushes. I love the Juvia's Place blushes as well, but the Juvia's Place blushes, you can't be heavy-handed with the Juvia's Place blushes. Blend this out. I always love pairing berry blushes with my blues. It's berry blushes and orange blushes that look so good with blue. But yeah, I like to do my blush, and then if it's a little too much, when I blend out my concealer, it's gonna bring everything back together. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place loose setting powder in Cookie Dough. And it looks almost translucent, and that's what I like about this, because even though it has like a color to it, it's not like you put in like an orange pigment onto your face. You know how some setting powders, when they have a color to it. Like, I still want you to be translucent. I just don't want to give, casket sharp, because all translucent powders do not do a black girl justice. Kisses powder foundation. This is in 15. I'm just gonna use that as a contour. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Creations bronzer in Wild Sun. I found these Ruby Kisses blush palettes, and I really, really, really like this shade here. But I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Creations highlighter in Time of Your Life, which looks like this. Now I'm just gonna put on some lashes, do the rest of my eyeshadow. It's just using the same eyeshadows, and I'll be back for the lip combo. Okay, so for the lip look, I want to do something want to do new. So I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses in Warm Sienna, my liner in Cocoa, and then this is kind of like a black liner. Just watch me work. Let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Yes, AG's, I'm putting something to sleep. He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing. I hit it from the back, I told her move her hand. Then saw my thumb in where her at. On your top, I'm with God, bitch, don't look back. What they talking about, they talking about none. What they talking about, they talking about none. This is one of my NYX Fat Oil in Follow Back. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I spray everything down. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think this came out so good, especially since I haven't done my makeup in forever. All right, I see you guys next time with another look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.